Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. So if you are using iPhone or Android, this is the same process, so don't worry. And if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your YouTube app and then go ahead and click on your profile. It is on the upper right corner of your screen. And then as you can see, there's an arrow pointing right at the right side of your name or email address. Just go ahead and click that, then scroll down until you see use YouTube sign out. So just click that, so you're now using YouTube sign out. And so here you can see you just need to sign in again if you want to sign in. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.